Oh my goodness, my people. Peter Mbah has finally spoken. Yes, Governor Peter Mbah of Enugu State has finally broken his silence. And I don't know about you, but this one got people talking everywhere on X. So please calm down, relax, and listen to what this man has finally said, especially after all the drama and loud silence during the Eha-Amufu attacks in Enugu State. Let's analyze, and of course I want to hear from you in the comments. Let's rewind a bit. For months now, even before the recent attack in Eha-Amufu that left innocent people dead, there's been tension and unrest in that area of Enugu State. People crying out every single day. Security reports are still flying up and down, and guess what? Governor Peter Mbah has been totally silent about it with zero words. And trust Nigerians now, especially Igbo people who have refused to keep quiet. The internet exploded. People called him out left, right, and center. Some were like, why is our governor mute while our people are suffering? Others even started suggesting conspiracy theories, well, allegedly, like maybe he's hiding something. But now, just when we thought it was going to keep ignoring it, boom, Peter Mbah finally made a statement. According to the Guardian News, during a meeting with AIG Abayomi Oladipo at the Lion Building in Enugu yesterday, Governor Peter Mbah boldly declared that Enugu is still one of the safest states in Nigeria. That was his claim. He said, and I quote, "Enugu remains among the safest states in the country, irrespective of propaganda by peddlers of falsehood." Now tell me in the comment, do you agree with this particular statement? Because from what we've seen recently in Eha-Amufu, people are not convinced just yet. But wait, that's not all he said. To be honest, while he made that statement, he listed some serious security infrastructure that his government has reportedly put in place so far. One is the Command and Control Center, the Distress Response Squad with over 150 security vehicles, and there is the AI-enabled surveillance cameras all across the state, tight coordination with the Enugu Police Command. He even admitted that his government cannot grow the economy from $4.4 billion to $30 billion, which was his target, without tackling insecurity head-on. So, this man is really serious. Well, at least on paper, until we start seeing it manifesting. Now, here is where things get even more interesting. The AIG himself, Abayomi Oladipo, actually praised Governor Peter Mbah, saying there's been a major improvement in the security of lives and property across Enugu State. He said, and unquote, "What we've put in place is really working for us. We thank you, Governor, for supporting the police and other agencies." And just recently, the Isi-Uzo police arrested some people allegedly connected to the Eha-Amufu attack, including a 26-year-old Matthew Ebe, who allegedly led the herdsmen into the community. Another woman believed to have been giving information to the attackers was also arrested. So yes, arrests have started finally. But my people, do you think this is enough, or is it coming too late? Maybe Peter Mbah does have a point, or maybe, just maybe, the crisis has not hit global radar yet. This is where we need you, the people, to speak, because only those on ground know the real story. Let's face it, why did Peter Mbah suddenly speak now after all the dragging? Was it the backlash on social media? Was it because international bodies are beginning to notice? Or was it genuinely waiting to gather real intelligence before saying anything? We may never know for sure, but one thing is clear: the pressure worked 100% from Igbo. And now that he has spoken, the question is, will action follow words? Or is this just another case of Nigerian politicians doing damage control? My people, what do you think about Governor Peter Mbah's statement? Is Enugu really one of the safest states in Nigeria as we speak? Or is this all PR to cool down the heat? And what about the Eha-Amufu community? Is enough being done for them, or are they being forgotten? Drop your honest opinions in the comment section. No need to sugarcoat it. Let's talk as it is.
This is happening live in Isi-Uzo local government. Eha-Amufu parts. We are going hungry. They are sleeping with our women. After sleeping with them, they will use